Profit and loss. Profit and loss. In the profit and loss account personnel, the cost of procuring something is the purchase price. If we add some value to the product, then that expense is also added. Maintenance charges and repair charges are such expenses. When we buy a house, the price is the purchase price. Buying pieces of furniture and all value additions are added to the cost of the house. That is the cost price for calculating profit and loss. Calculating profit amount and percentage. When we subtract the cost price from the selling price, we obtain the profit amount. When we calculate the amount we receive for each 100 rupees we spend, we will determine the profit percentage. The profit percentage is profit divided by cost price and multiplied by 100. For example, I bought a torch from the manufacturer for rupees 1800 and sold it for rupees 2000. Profit amount is CP minus SP, that is 2000 minus 1800, that is equal to 200. Equation profit percent. Profit by cost price into 100. Let us calculate the percent of profit. Profit percent is profit divided by cost price into 100. That is equal to 200 by 1800 into 100, that is equal to 11.11%. Alan bought a house for rupees 35 lakhs. He spent 10 lakhs for some modifications in the house. He bought some pieces of furniture for rupees 5 lakhs. He sold the house for rupees 60 lakhs. Let us check the profit amount and profit percentage. To find it, first we calculate the cost price. Purchase price plus value addition, that is 35 lakhs plus 10 lakhs plus 5 lakhs equals to 50 lakhs. Profit amount is selling price minus cost price, that is equal to 60 lakhs minus 50 lakhs, that is 10 lakhs. Profit percentage is profit divided by cost price into 100, that is equal to 10 lakh divided by 50 lakh into 100, that is equal to 20%. Loss and loss percent. Loss amount divided by cost price into 100. Loss is calculated on the cost price. Take the same cases above and consider the business ended up in a loss. I bought the torch for rupees 1800 and sold it for rupees 1600. My loss amount is cost price minus selling price. Percentage of loss is loss amount divided by cost price into 100 is equal to 200 divided by 1800 into 100 is equal to 11.11%. Assume Alan sold the house for rupees 35 lakhs. The loss amount is cost price minus selling price, that is 50 lakhs minus 35 lakhs is equal to 15 lakhs. And the loss percentage is loss amount divided by cost price into 100 is equal to 15 lakh divided by 50 lakhs into 100 is equal to 30%.